welcome back to Rituals. Alright, so in today's video, I got a nice pickup coming straight out of 1982. If you read the description of the video, or if you read the title of the video, you already know what I got. But you know what? We're gonna pop open this box and I'm gonna show you guys that nostalgia feeling I have for these. I haven't had a pair of these in a while, but these right here are special, real special. They supremely special. So let's get right into the video. Before we do, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button for your boy, turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos. The channel's about car content, sneaker reviews, gaming, and money financial tips. So if you're into any of those things, this right here is the channel for you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy one good time, because YouTube algorithm loves that. Now, if you're watching this on Facebook, also smash that thumbs up button for your boy, because Facebook loves that for the algorithm. And also follow the page. Once again, Rituals. The page is about car content, sneaker reviews, gaming, money, financial tips. So if you're into all those things, yo, this is the page for you. And I also do product reviews, just FYI. With all that being said, man, let's get into this box. When you open your Supreme box, gotta have your Supreme knife. How about that? So we got the Supreme knife going here. If you haven't watched that video, go back into the playlist. Go check out that video. It's all right. Gotta be safe here. Man, I've been waiting for these. Yo, these came out in March of 2020. And Supreme, they've been doing like releases on them sporadically throughout, the year. And this past Thursday was the first release for 2021 for the new season. So I was on the website, just on there, didn't have no intention of getting anything. And then I saw the shoes pop up. And I'm like, oh snap, gotta get these. Been wanting these for a minute, you know what I mean? So we were able to secure those. And yeah, let's see what this bad boy look like in person. Make sure my hand clean, cause these are white on white. I gave out all the info, but guess what? There we go. Ooh, nice box, nice box, nice box. So on the box, let me get a little closer to you guys. Let's get close. Let's get close. Let's get close. So on the box, and it matched my God is dope hoodie. You know what I'm saying? Go get y'all one of these, man. Not affiliated with the company. They got some dope hoodies. My wife got me this pretty dope hoodie. I don't say so myself. Look at this. Supreme box logo. Nike box. For all y'all box nerds. You got your Nike information on the back. Like I said, these right here are straight out of 1982. And why does it give me a nostalgia feeling? Because your boy was born in 82. That's right. That's right. Young old man. But check this out. Size 10. So we sized down on these because back in the day, like I said, I haven't had a pair of Air Forces in a while. But back in the day, Air Forces ran a little big. So I assume that's still the case. Now what I heard was these shoes right here in this box are very, very close to the original pair that came out in 1982. So the new Air Forces, they're labeled like Air Force 107 LV8 or something like that. Those are the new style Air Force Ones. And I haven't had a pair of those, so I don't know. But we gonna see what these look like. And also that resale values on these look pretty good too. Ooh. Yo, these are fresh. Yeah. Got your shoelaces, your Supreme shoelaces. Don't know if I'll be using these, but these are dope. These are really dope. The tissue paper, for those that are wondering, the tissue paper, it has that Nike Supreme logo on the tissue paper. You can see it. That's pretty dope, actually. Pretty dope. But y'all didn't come here for tissue paper. You didn't come here for no tissue paper. You came here for these sneakers. And that's what you gonna get. Bam! There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, white. Oh man, oh man, look at that. The light just hitting it. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's take one of these off. Get this box out of here. We don't need you no more. Bam. Look at that. Ooh, it's so bright. I'm gonna have to turn the light down a little bit. Hold on. Turn that light down just a little bit. Turn that light down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Matter of fact, let me hit the other light 1 second. Bam! And we back. And we back. And we back. There we go. Look at that. Ooh wee. Clean, crispy, white shoe. So now these are a little different because you have your swoosh right here, as you guys can see. And then if you see, I think it's called a Dubre. A Dubre? I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's called Dubre. But normally the Dubre has Air Force One. This one has Air Force -1, and it has the Supreme logo on it. You guys can see that? You guys can see that. But yeah, these are clean. These are clean. Got that nice little interior right there. And then in the inside, you got your Supreme logo and your Nike logo. You guys can see that. Supreme and Nike Air. Like I said, I sized down on these, but we'll see. But you got your Supreme box logo right here in the back, and it's actually embroidered in. Like, it's not stamped. Like, it's actually in there, which is pretty dope. Got your Nike Air on the back, of course. Your standard bottom, Air Force One. You got your Air written on here for your air bubble, the air unit. These are the first Nike shoe with air bubble technology in the shoe. And these are the first basketball sneaker that had the air unit in it. So yeah, very, 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 very cool, man. A lot of history behind this shoe. A ton of history behind this shoe. Pretty sure everybody had a pair of Air Force Ones, or they still have a pair of Air Force Ones. Definitely a go-to shoe. These retail for $96. The standard pair retails for $90. So it's only a $6 upcharge. So I guess you pay like $6 for that stamp and them shoelaces, which is pretty cool because sometimes they go, when they do these collaborations, they go way above what, what it should cost. So that's a pretty good price, $96. Not complaining. Retail right now, I think it's going for like $185 on StockX. So, your boy's about his money. So, but you know what? I think I'm gonna keep these though. On all jokes aside, I think I'm gonna keep these because, like I said, it's a nostalgia feeling. And once I put them on feet, I gotta keep them because these are crispy white, and ain't gonna get away with that. You know what I'm saying? Once you put these on the floor, they gonna be dirty. It's just that simple. But yeah, I'm about to hit you guys with some B-roll right now. Let's go. Enjoyed today's video. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. These are fire. Yes, they are. And what's also fire is my channel. So hit that subscribe button if you're watching us on YouTube. And if you're watching us on Facebook, hit that like button and follow the page. With that being said, greatly appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for tuning in to Rituals. And y'all have a blessed day. Peace and love. And we out. 1982, baby.
Yeah, I sized down on these and I made the right decision because they do run big and I sized down and they're perfect. So in Nike, I wear a size 10 and a half, size down a half size. These are a size 10 and they feel amazing. So if you do get a pair of these, size down half a size. There you go. That's the on feet look. And guess what? Guess I'm keeping them.
Peace and love. And we out.